Hello guys, how are you all? Today I'm back with one more amazing video of Capcut, and in this video I'm gonna tell you how you can add a voiceover to your video. If you want to record your voice and you want that voice in your project, you can do that using the Capcut application. All you need to do is you just need to press on this plus button, add a desired project. Like in my case, I'm using this project to add voiceover. Let me mute down the original voice first, and after that you just need to press on this add audio button, press on the voiceover. You just need to press on this mic button and press to record, and you just need to hold it button and you are good to go. So these are the steps if you want to add voiceover to your project using Capcut. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care. Bye bye. Boom boom. Ciao.